We're starting this video off with two beautiful Chevy C10 pickup trucks. We have a red one with beautiful matching red interior. It looks absolutely fantastic. And of course, a Chevy small block in the engine bay. Right next to it, we have this green Chevy C10 pickup truck. You'll notice this truck only has the trim on the lower portion of the exterior. And then you have the black interior with the green dash that looks really good. Coming right across, we have a beautiful red for the Mopar fans out there. Right over here we have a yellow Chevy Monte Carlo with a black vinyl top. These cars are iconic and just extremely sexy with the body lines. You got the Monte Carlo badge right there on the vinyl top. This is a 1949 Ford. It has a beautiful metallic burgundy paint job, burgundy interior. Look at that interior, custom console and everything just looks absolutely beautiful. This car has been nicknamed the Shoebox by its owners. Just looks so good. They've taken great care of this car. Here we have another Chevy C10. This one is custom painted with pinstriping and a step side bed. Next to it, we have a Cutlass in a beautiful white and gold paint job. Those gold stripes just look fantastic on that white base. Check out this teal blue Chevy Bel Air. These cars are also absolutely iconic. They're extremely popular for car collectors. And the two-tone paint on these vehicles always just makes them look like they're the pinnacle of classic luxury. Look at that supercharger on this motor. Fuel injected, supercharged Chevy Bel Air. Gonna walk around, look at this interior. It is a matching teal blue with some cream colored two-tone. Absolutely gorgeous. This car was done up really, really well. And over here next to it, we have a solid black Chevy Bel Air. with the red interior. That is a bright red interior, but red and black always seems to go well together on these cars. And here we have a blue Chevy Nova. It's a 1971, as you can see right there on that plate. It's got a medium metallic blue, almost like a royal blue paint job, and then some custom black vinyl interior, custom seats, custom center console. Got a little Smurf, Papa Smurf sitting in the driver's seat. Beautiful car. Looks absolutely fantastic. This is a metallic teal Mach 1 Mustang. This is probably my favorite type of Mustang. Has this light cream, kind of off-white interior with the wood grain. Looks really good. And of course you have the Mach 1 decals on the side and the back of the car. Here we have a 1968 Chevy Camaro, black with the white rally stripes. Gotta love this custom houndstooth interior and the custom console, custom gauges. Right next to it we have a C7 Corvette in a very beautiful, very attractive metallic blue. Now we're going to walk over to what I am dubbing Corvette Corner at this car show. We have what looks like a hypersonic gray C8 Corvette with some custom striping. Over here behind it, we have another C8 Corvette in Accelerate Yellow. This one does have some special edition striping, as this is the C8R edition Corvette C8. This is a red C6 Corvette. And on the other side of the C6, we have another C8. This is either ceramic matrix gray or Arctic white. It's kind of hard to tell out here in this lighting that we have this evening, but it is a convertible C8. Here we have a bright red Chevy Chevelle SS. This has what looks like factory interior, an automatic transmission, and black rally stripes. This is another blue Chevy Nova. This one is set up for the drag strip. You can tell by the tires. Followed by a stunning red and chrome Chevrolet 3100 pickup. Look at this paint job. It is absolutely slick, looks gorgeous. And of course, in the bed, you have the wood bed floor. Coming up now, we have a Mopar purple Dodge Challenger. This color is stunning on almost any vehicle. The metallic purple with the black accents always looks absolutely amazing. Got to give Mopar some credit for their color choices. These cars look incredible.